What is up, everybody? It is DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video for my channel, another video review or tutorial. It could be either, but today is a tutorial, and I definitely want to bring you guys how to put some lenses in the Bose Alto style frames. These are the medium larges, and I just want to kind of show you a quick video. I do have like multiple lenses. Check out my computer screen, kind of helps my eyes a little bit. I have other colored lenses too, and I'll leave the links for all those. But basically, so we do definitely want to be careful because these are just plastic, and so you can crack them, you can break them. So do this at your own risk. I'm just showing you how I get it done and the easiest way that I think I can get it done. And so, like I said, do this at your own risk, but also do this in normal temperatures, like your normal house temperatures. Don't do it in extreme cold. Don't do them in extreme heat, because these are plastic. And like I said, in extreme cold, I have broken a pair of these because I just put them on, and one of the hinges here on the plastic here cracked because it was an extreme temperature. It was pretty cold outside, and the plastics gets really brittle. So just make sure that you're doing these in normal temperatures, your normal house temperatures. But anyways, you notice I put one lens in already, and I have my other clear lens in. I'm going to go ahead and put the other dark lens in here. And I do keep little bags, and I do mark them left and right. And so we have the left lens here. Now I'm going to show you having a little cleaning cloth is more than helpful, or a bigger terry cloth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab them from the back, and I always put my thumb right here, and you're going to put it in this corner, and you're just going to give it a nice little push and kind of flex the frame a little bit too. So a little push, and that popped right out. So we got that one out. I'm going to set it down. Now when we reverse the process here, we're going to take your lens, and I put the top ends first. I usually put this corner in right here. So I put the corner in, the top. I'm going to grab my cleaning cloth, kind of push this in here, so almost the top is all the way in, and then I'm just going to kind of snap it. I'm going to push the bottom and kind of pull on the frame a little bit. So I'm pulling on the frame, pushing the bottom. You can see that the lens is out, and it just pops right in right there. Boom. And so that's how you get it done. Very cool, not too hard. You see I got both my lenses in there, and that's how you get it done. DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. Give me a like, subscribe, share if this is helpful at all. And these are the Bose Alto shades. That's how you get a lens in and out.